Well, we're all parked up. We're at a small caravan park in Ararat. We're in a dog-friendly enclosed site, which has been great. Winnie's loved it. She's been able to have a run around and not be tied up all the time. They've actually got 4 smaller sites, plus the one that we're on, which is a double site, and you can drive through really easy. Here we are. This is the other side of the site. Big gates that open right up. Hello Graham, hello Winnie. All the other sites with the dog friendly. There's cabins here as well, really lovely looking cabins. Camp kitchen up there, which is great. A couple of coffee machines, wood-fired pizza. Oh, actually I think it's just gas. Vending machine, kitchen, barbecue. The office is right up the end there where those little cars are. Pool, amenity block behind the tree, and around here there's more cabins. Not many people here at the moment, as you can see. Then there's a giant chess in behind there, and a tic-tac-toe, some seats and chairs, and a fire pit. Really nice little park. Here we are. Okay, so I've walked up to the pool area just to give you a look. It's a lovely little pool, absolutely sparkling clean, probably a bit cold at the moment. Doggy wash, gents around there, and through here, gorgeous looking pool, camp kitchen over the back there, round to amenities. Ladies in there. Around the corner, more lovely cabins. Terrific laundry. Pay by card or coin. Washing baskets for you to use. Really good little setup. I'll take you over to the camp kitchen. Okay, just before I show you the camp kitchen, there's the office. Bit of a playground. Great little area, nice setup. Here we go. In here, we've got, gas pizza oven, barbecue, good looking coffee machines, vending machine, TV. Outdoor area, big chess set, picnic tables. Come through here, can walk through here. Got undercover barbecue, benches and wood storage. Great little area. Nice fire pit, totem tennis even. Haven't seen one of those for years. And that's us over there. So I've just found this other little part of the park. It's a gorgeous little garden full of all sorts of little statues and things. It's really cute. Excuse my shadow. Seem to always have the sun in the wrong place at the moment when I'm trying to film something. It's all very cute.